At some point in life, you just realize nobody is coming to save you. And that is the best thing that can ever happen to you. Nobody is coming to fix the life you want for you. Not the right timing, not the perfect opportunity, not even the people you were counting on. And yeah, that might hit hard at first. It feels scary. But the moment you truly accept that, something shifts in you. You stop waiting. You stop making excuses. You stop blaming circumstances and finally start building the life you want for yourself. The day you stop waiting to be saved is the day you start saving yourself. This is day 5 of the Becoming. See you tomorrow.